Hi guys! Guess where I'm bringing you for our next destination? Wow! This time it's going to be in Calauan, Laguna. And I'm so excited! I'm going to see my BFF sister, Carissa. So, join me. Let's go! I'm so excited. It's 9:45. So we're now on our way to Laguna.
Wala mag-drive.
Akala ko may driver ako kung pinag-drive. Ayan, pogit sana ng driver ko. Na,
Okay.
There's that little girl. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay. See you later, guys. I'm now at the peak of Kalisungan Mountain, and here we can see the Mount Makiling. Fantastic view. Wow!
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
Morning! We have our bikers here from Bae, Laguna. And we have Bea, Tess, and Irene. Welcome to Moonfield. Na ba ang pizza natin, Dante?
Yes, ma'am. Salamat sa inyo for dinner.
Wow! Anong flavor ng pizza natin?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Okay. Fresh na fresh ang ating pizza. All around ka, Kuya Dante, ha? Hi guys! It's time for cocktails before dinner. And so, Moonfield is opening their secret garden. Join me! Wow! Fantastic naman to. Ang ganda! Aantayin ko na lang yung aking ka-date dito. sister. And cheers to our birthday.
Yeah, it's our birthday.
Cheers. Congrats, Moonfield.
Thank you. Do come and visit and have your cocktails in here.
Very nice place. Hi, Karen. Are you happy? See the fish. Let's go. Kuya, anong klaseng isda to?
Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away for you, the wait for you, the wait for you. Don't need a romance.
Hi, Julia. Say hi. I love you. Are you happy?
Don't need a romance. Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from. Now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I would.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye to you guys. I had a wonderful stay here at Moonfield. See you again. So I hope you enjoyed my little trip and short trip here at Moonfield Eco Park. Bye guys. See you soon.
Of my shoulder, done with my cigarette.